Hi, my name is Chris Wade, and I'm a contractor in the city of Los Angeles. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a toilet seat that leaks. If you're finding that your toilet seat is leaking water around the floor, there's only one way to fix that, and I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing you want to do is you're going to have to remove the whole toilet from the toilet flange. And basically you have to unscrew these bolts right here. And usually a couple quick turns will get it to where you can remove it finger loose. And you're just going to want to pull these off. There's going to be two of them. And while I'm untightening this one, I'm going to remind you that anytime you remove a toilet, you need to turn the water supply off. Otherwise you're going to have a watery mess. So what you want to do once you get to this point is you want to take an old putty knife and you want to scrape out all the wax you can. And you just want to get it all out of there, and it's pretty icky. Get it all out, get it cleaned up as best you can, and then you're going to want to take your new wax ring and you're going to just drop it right basically into the hole right there. You're going to want to put these screws back in, and what you want to do is you want to make sure that they're lined up kind of exactly where those holes were, and the best way to do that is just kind of stand side to side, eyeball them. If you notice that the slots in the flange are elongated, so you do have plenty of room to just drop it in there. We're going to pick up our toilet, and you're going to want to just basically line it up on the new screw holes. There's one there, and there's one there. And what you want to do is you want to just keep pressing on it, twisting just slightly until and just getting that wax to just kind of seal around, spread around, and that'll give it its new seal. Once you get that smushed down, pressed down to the floor, you're going to want to put your bolts back on, kind of make sure it's lined up where you want it, and turn the water back on, check for leakage. If you don't have any leakage coming out of the bottom, you've got a good seal. And I'd also suggest taking some white silicone caulking and just going all the way around the toilet, and that'll give you a nice, good, long-lasting seal. And that's pretty much how you do it. There's really nothing to it. Anybody can do it.